हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो हमने स्पेशली अपने उन क्लाइंट्स और व्यूअर्स के लिए बनाई है जो कोविड के बाद अपने म्यूचुअल फंड और स्टॉक्स की इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी स्टार्ट किए हैं। यस फ्रेंड्स, देयर वाज अ स्टार विच वाज born on 3rd of April 1979. I am talking about a star whose name is Sensex. In this video, I want to show the illustrious journey of Sensex of last 45 years, which has been full of ups and downs. On one side, it looks like a roller coaster ride, but from the other side, it looks like an ECG. Now friends, let's move to the screen to provide you the illustration of the ups and downs of Sensex. Launched on 3rd of April 1979 with a base value taken to be 100 points, it took 11 years for Sensex to move from 100 points to 1000 points. That is 10 times. It translates into a return of about 23% per annum in its initial 11 years. Thereafter, the Sensex touched a high of 4000 on April 1992 because of the hype created by the great Harshad Mehta scam. In the year 2000, it got a boost from global IT sector and it moved to 5000 points. By the year 2006, it touched 10,000. Now it became 10 times in a span of 16 years, that is from 1000 in 1990 to 10,000 in 2006. It grew 10 times in 16 years. This time the return was at the rate of 15% per annum. The Sensex touched 20,000 by the end of 2007 due to the rally led by global FIIs, which led to the Sensex touching 20,000. On account of improved economic reforms and influx of FIIs, the Sensex rallied to 30,000 in 2017. In 2019, on 23rd April, the Sensex touched a new high of 40,000 points. And within next 2 years, on 1st January 2021, the Sensex hit 50,000 points for the first time in its lifetime. This is where we entered a bull run market, which took the market to 60,000 points in next 243 days in 2021 itself. These were the days when the economy was opening after the COVID and had full-fledged support from the BJP-led government. With increased capex and infra spending and a push from the government to the PSU sector, the Sensex rose to a new high of 70,000 points on 1st December 2023. Further, the Sensex touched the 80,000 mark on the 3rd of July 2024 to mark a new era of investments supported by the domestic institutional investors and the mutual fund industry. And this bull run took the markets to a new high of 85,978 on 22nd September 2024. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपने देखा ये सेंसेक्स की अपवर्ड जर्नी थी जिसमें इसने 100 पॉइंट से 80,000 85,000 पॉइंट तक की यात्रा की, पर यह यात्रा इतनी आसान नहीं थी जितना कि इस पिक्चर में दिख रहा है। चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे द ग्रेट 6 फॉल्स विच द सेंसेक्स हैड इन इट्स हिस्ट्री। ये 6 पड़ाव पे कैसे कैसे सेंसेक्स गिरा और कितनी जल्दी इसने मेकअप किया। मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ मार्केट बाय हर्षद मेहता मेड द सेंसेक्स rise to 4,000 points on April 1992, and as a result, when the scam busted, the Sensex corrected from 4,000 points to 2,000 points, a correction of about 50%. during the year 2000, there was a huge hype of IT stocks and the IT industry, and because of that, the markets inflated to 5,000 points. But as soon as the IT bubble burst, the Sensex again made a huge correction from 5,000 points to 3,000 points. It was round about a fall of 35 to 40%. The next was 2008 recession. During the 2008 recession, which was also called the housing loan bubble, in which many banks in America who provided cheap loans to citizens of USA defaulted, and many banking institutions along with the Lehman Brothers defaulted and filed their bankruptcy, and as a result the Sensex had a great fall from 21,000 points to 9,000 points. Markets fell round about 60%, and this was one of the greatest falls in the history of Sensex. Along with the global financial crisis, we also saw the Satyam scam. The market sentiment was destroyed in this period, and our markets saw the largest fall in its history. In June 2015 to June 2016, the yuan devaluation and the Brexit debacle took place. The year-long sell-off began with negative GDP news from China, the devaluation of its currency yuan, and the Greek debt default crisis. In this 1 year period, the Sensex fell round about 26%. You can seldom find any investor or trader in India who doesn't know about the COVID crash in March 2020. On this unfortunate day, the investors became poorer by 13.88 trillion. The bloodbath and downward journey went on for many days. During this period, the Sensex dropped from 42,200 to 28,200 in 1 week. The fear of the world economy coming to a standstill gripped the whole investor fraternity. So friends, you saw the journey of this money churning machine called Sensex. हमें इस सेंसेक्स की जर्नी से कुछ सबक लेना चाहिए. जैसे सेंसेक्स है वैसी हमारी जिंदगी है जिसमें उतार चढ़ाव लगे रहते हैं. उसी तरह से सेंसेक्स में भी उतार चढ़ाव लगे रहते हैं, और हमें हमेशा कभी भी मार्केट के गिरावट में मार्केट छोड़ के भागना नहीं चाहिए, परंतु उसके पलट हमें मार्केट के गिरावट में फ्रेश एलोकेशन करके, फ्रेश खरीदारी करके अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को और बूस्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि गोल्डन रूल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग यही बोलता है कि गिरावट में खरीदो और ऊंचाई पे जब बाजार रहते हो तब बेचो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.